Good morning, here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened down a little at 10,529.05. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged lower 0.01%, while Germany's DAX fell 0.87%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq finished higher at 26,107.01, and the S&P 500 also gained to close at 7,543.59. In company news, Barratt Redrow has increased planned shareholder returns after delivering a resilient year, despite a challenging housing market, with buybacks forming the centerpiece of its capital allocation strategy. Meanwhile, podcast group Audioboom reported from record first-half revenue and profit, highlighting continued growth across its advertising business. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc and Australian dollar were little changed. The euro was steady, the Japanese yen strengthened slightly, and Bitcoin was down. In commodities, copper eased, gold edged higher, Brent crude traded lower, and natural gas strengthened. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.